Nandito kami sa condo nila Missy kasi second day ng swimming lesson ni Dora and sasabay sila ni Enzo.
One more time, Enzo. Show her, show her. Look, I want you to look at Enzo really good. Enzo, show her. Up. Oh, he's breathing. Oh, look. Oh, he's breathing. Oh, okay, you got it? You got it? Okay, do it. Thank you, Enzo. One, two, go. That's it.
Galing ni Dora.
One more time, one more time. You must be able to
Ako, yung box day ko nabot 5 feet. 4'11 lang baga ako.
No holding by yourself only, okay? Do it at least 3 times. One holding go by yourself only. Ah, okay. Now, breathe really good. When you breathe,
Yung lalaki mo, puro kalabitay na.
okay? One, two, go by yourself.
Yung si Nana, ano?
Okay. Watch
Hindi na,
Enzo
Nico.
one more time.
Hindi na talagang forever.
Enzo,
It's not enough.
Enzo, do it again. I know na. Do it together. Oh, do it
Ano si
together.
tita? Day
Enzo,
mali di?
Enzo.
May
Do
siyang
it
plano.
together with Dora. We do one
Day mo
more.
nakakaulay. Tita, bakla.
Ano, inabot ko kumain. Hindi siya. Ang puro mayo ng bala.
Breathe,
Baka
breathe.
busy sa ano.
Breathe,
Busy
breathe.
sa service.
Breathe, Dora. Breathe, Dora. You need to breathe. You need to one more time. One more time. Okay. See what Enzo is doing? He is breathing. Diba? Once you reach the surface, he's breathing. Okay? So you need to breathe as well. You breathe really quick. One more time. Okay, one more time. One, two, go. You're not breathing. You breathe or you breathe one and go. Wait, one. One, two, go.
That's literally one
That's
step.
it. One, two, now. Okay, now push off, really good, push off. Push off, push off. One. Very good, very good. Okay, now go to the wall by yourself. Go to the wall.
Di ba kayo ito dito sa car kanina? Help!
I'm here. Of course, I will be beside you. That's why you're on boundary.
Ah, there's a shark! On your back, on your beside.
Wait. Go for it. Go for it.
The shark is beside.
One, two, three, go.
Wow! Galing naman ni Dors.
Okay, so come to me.
Galing ni Dors.
Push off first.
Galing
Go
na,
your bubble,
Dora.
go your bubble. Very good. One more time. You can push off, half push off. Hold your breath first. When you can see that one, you can start to bubble. And the next. Okay? Wait.
Senso, mas gusto niya digdi sa big pool. Hahapon niya na sa
One,
duman.
two, three, and go.
Galing ni Dors, oh.
Wow! Good job, love!
Push really good, half push really good. You can
Go swim na like Dora. Look, oh. Look.
use your hands.
Wow! See?
Okay, one more time. This is really... No, not naman too far. So conserve your energy muna, okay? If you can, I will push you off. And
Ano senso, ano lang siya, nag-urontol. Kaya nga, kasi di niya manabot eh.
And then start your kicks in the sky, okay? And don't stop until you reach the wall. Ha?
Okay.
Push off, hand push off. One, two, three, go. Push off, hand, take a deep breath. One, two, three, go.
Easy.
Use your hands, Laura. Use your hands.
Good job, love!
Okay, but use your hands. Para faster. With hands also. With hands also, ha? Okay. How are you? Was it scary? down, blow your bubbles. Hindi, face me lang. You stand down. Stand. One, two, three, and underwater. Up, face me, face me. Face me. Blow bubbles now, blow bubbles now. One, three, go. Go down. Go down naman. Okay, very good. Now, I want you to stand on the floor, hold your breath, and tell me what you feel. One, two, three. No, Enzo, I want you to do, you know the rock and toy? What do you call that? A rock, scissor, what? Yeah, what is it? Rock, paper, scissor? Sige. Yeah, okay. You do it with
Dapat talaga pag teacher ka, grabe pasensya mo. No?
underwater.
Kaya talaga hindi kita pwede
One,
mag-teacher,
two,
Besh.
three.
I'll try this first.
You must be able to check it by doing
Gusto ko ba mag-aaral ko yan, no?
Diba, ganun ba? And then,
Kaso halipad lang halipad lang ang arms ko, Besh. Ganyan sana ako, sis. Sabi ka ni Bernard, ano talaga ka magtatamag lang ko? Sabi ko, may kagabi pang swimming lesson. Sabi niya, taga-bukid ka din, kada-kanod maglangoy. Sabi ko, yun na nga yan.
The rule will be like this. I know. I know. Can you see the Wait lang, wait lang. Stay there. You stay here, okay? Stay here. Okay, you guys. Wait. Wait for the instruction. Enzo. You will do whoever wins will move one orange, okay? So it's a race towards the end.
Oh, I love this.
I love it also. Wait lang.
Oh, this is so cool.
Okay?
I thought it was done.
Wait lang.
I thought it.
Oh, on the wall muna, Enzo. Ready?
Go.
1, 2, 3, go! Uy, hindi. It's rock, paper, scissors, remember?
Yeah.
And you will only move if you win, okay?
Oh, I get it.
Win, you can move one orange.
This.
Oh, go na!
Go.
What? Rock, paper, scissors, underwater. One more time, one more. It's a tie.
Oh, tie.
It's a tie. One more. One more. Ready na? Enzo, move back a little. Enzo. Okay, wait lang.
That's yo.
This will be this will be your boundary. Do you guys, can you see this? This will be your boundary. Enzo, you must not cross this one, okay? Ready? Do it again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go.
I didn't win.
Yeah, wala.
I lost.
Yeah, huh?
I lost.
I think all of you did the papers, right? Okay, and Laura, you must be able to stand on the floor. No holding, ha? Stand on the floor, ha? Stand on the floor, and then afterwards, you break. Okay, jump, and then hold here, okay? Enzo, good for standing on the floor, for doing the rock, paper, scissors. Afterwards, if you know that you're able to do it, jump and hold on the side, okay? Ready for another one?
Oh, this.
1, 2, 3, go! Okay. Oh, one orange. People to win the rock, paper, scissors. Oh, go back to the wall. Go back to the wall. Go to the Go to the wall. Okay, one more time. You must stand on the floor, ha? 3, 2, 1, and go.
video.
I won!
Oh, okay. Move to the orange one. Hey, move to the orange. Move to the orange.
Wow, panalo si Enzo.
Hey, no, not yet.
Not yet.
See, oh, no. That lang. Okay, go.
On the other
Three.
one.
Wait, one orange now. One orange. One, Enzo, one orange now.
Go back, Enzo, go back.
Okay, yeah. Yeah. Orange. Okay. Now, in 3, 2, stand on the floor, ha? Tapos, push off. In 3, 2, 1, go! Who won? Okay, one more time.
No, we got both papers.
Sabi ya, both papers yun. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, Dora. 1, move 1.
Mas maganda pa lang pag magsabay sila. Para magkaroon may ano.
What's up, you?
Okay, and in 3, uy, mama, jump ka na. Ay, ikaw, stay. In
No!
3, 2, 1, go! Who won?
Let's go.
Okay. Okay, go, move. Yay! In 3, stand on the floor, guys. In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, move 1.
Galing ni Enzo ah.
Ha?
And di Dora.
Move 1, orange. No, you're moving 2. 1 lang. Okay. In 3, 1, go! Okay, move 1, orange. Yay! Stand on the floor, ha? Stand on the floor, ha? Yes. Stand on the floor, you guys, ha? Para you can reach after. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, move 1, orange.
Pero si Dora na lang matukdos ako mag-swimming lesson. Libre pa.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1, stand on the floor. Okay. Go, Dora.
Go Dora!
In 3, 2, 1, go! Stand on the floor. Stand on the floor. You can jump na lang, jump. Okay. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, and go! Who won? Who won? Yes. We're done na. Enough na.
Yay! Thank you, Coach.
Oy, wait lang, Dora.
Picture lab! matapos yung video kasi na lobat na yung phone. Anyways, thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye!